This simple trick turns consolidation into profit. If you keep losing money in the forex market when price is moving sideways, it's not your fault. Most traders get destroyed in consolidation because they are using the wrong strategy. But today, I will show you a simple method that can turn choppy market, which is consolidation market, into consistent profit for you. Now, consolidation market, which is also known as sideways market or the ranging market, are when price move between support and resistance without a clear trend. Now, this is where breakout traders get trapped, trend traders get frustrated, and smart traders make the most money. Now, in this video, I will break down this for us to all understand how to identify a consolidation like a professional, the exact strategies to trade it, the entry, the stop loss, and also the take profit rule. Now, make sure you watch this video to the end, because one small mistake can wipe your account in this kind of market. So, first, how to identify a consolidating market. First, don't trade blindly. You must confirm consolidation first. You must check if the price is moving sideways. You must see a clear support and resistance zone. You must see multiple rejection at the same price. No higher high, no higher lows. Now, if price is bouncing like a ping pong low, you are in a range market. That is the first thing. Now, there must be price around a support and a resistance area. For example, look at my screen. This is a typical consolidation period whereby price is moving in a area of support and resistance. Now, if price is bouncing around this area, you should know that you are actually in a support and resistance zone. Now, the core strategy in range trading is as simple as this. You buy at the support and sell at the resistance. Now, the understanding of support and resistance goes a long way in helping you. So now, you buy at support, you sell at resistance. Now, that is how you execute the market. Now, you enter buy when price touches the support. Now, let me show you the support here. You see it? And then here comes the resistance. So you buy when price touches the support, and you sell when price touches the resistance. You get it? Now, before you start executing your trade, you must see a clear rejection of price. Now, it can be rejection of high price, that's when you are selling, or rejection of low price when you are buying. You begin to see candlestick with wick. You begin to see candlestick that has strong proof of momentum. Now, once you have such, that is the first the pattern for you to trade. So if you begin to see such, you know that the market is about to reverse to go to your direction. Now, additionally, you can use your RSI in order to get the area of support overbought and oversold. Now, this will only help you to confirm if the price is in overbought or oversold. Now, how then will you set your stop loss? Now, your stop loss must be slightly above a resistance or slightly above the support. That's how to put your resistor, your stop loss. And then your take profit should be near the support or near the take profit. It should not be at the same level, please. It should be near. it should be what? Near. It should not be at the same level. Now, this can be for a sideways market as this. Now, you use your trend line for a sideways market. You use your trend line. Oh, now this is actually, I pick a wrong one. Now you use I thought this should be it. Let me change it. Just follow me. Follow me. Let me show you gun line. Perfect. Why is my gun line like this? This should be a gun line. So let me see. This should be a gun line. So why is it? If it will not work, then I will use the trend line. Yeah, look at it. Now I'm using the trend line, guys. I'm using the trend line. Now you increase it. Look at it. Look at the support and resistance. Now this is a sideways market, support and resistance. Now it will guide you in trading. You see it? It will guide you. It will guide you. You see it very clear. It will guide you. Let me remove this. So now, the biggest mistake to avoid: never trade in the middle of the range. Most people, because this is a range, does not mean that you enter blindly. Most people do that and they lose money. But please, now stick to the plan. See it here. Stick to the plan. Now, if you want to enter this market, this is the point to which you will actually be looking for entry. This particular place, you look for entry in this particular place. Look for entry in this particular place. You look for entry in this particular place. You look for entry in this particular place. Now look at how you look for entry. Now I'm just showing you how you look for entry. Entry should not be at the middle. Entry should not be at the middle. You get it? Sorry, please. So now this is where you look for entry and make your profit, guys. So avoid trading when it is at the middle. Avoid trading, because this risk is actually high. Now this is actually a low reward ratio, so you go to 1:1 reward ratio. Only trade the edge, that's the support and resistance of this. Only trade the support and resistance. You see it is at the edge of the line, the trend line. So trade only at the edge. Trade only at the word at the edge. So that is the first way to trade consolidation and also chopping market. I'll be releasing the second video how to trade. I'll be releasing the second video how to trade it. That's the advanced method on how to trade consolidation. I'll be releasing it in the next few days. I hope you'll be right there in order to watch the video. Now, if you find this video so helpful as a trader, I would love you to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to comment range on the comment section, and I'll be right there to respond to you. Now, most traders lose in consolidating market because they try to force the trend that don't exist. But once you understand this, the market is actually in a ranging period. The edge are your opportunity. You can turn confusion into consistency and make profit as usual. Don't forget, I'll be releasing the second aspect of this video. See you in my next video. Have a great day. I remain Mr. Joshua, that teach trader how to trade the smart way. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.